Hello guys, welcome to my space. So on this video I'm going to be teaching you about curves, okay, how curves work, and I'm going to be using Snapseed as a reference. Okay, so if you open your Snapseed and then click on the tools, go to the curve area. Okay, when you open your curves, what you're going to be seeing is this kind of diagram that you see on your screen now. Okay, and within this diagram you're going to be seeing a line that's slanted. Okay, curves is a very powerful tool that you can use for both photo editing, color grading, or whatever you want to do on your design. It's very, very important that you keep note of curves and how it works. Okay, if you pay close attention whenever you import your image into curves area, okay, you are going to see what looks like a histogram. Okay, if you don't understand how histogram work, you can go and check out videos on how these things work, but it's very easy to understand. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you. If you look at that line that's slanted, okay, you're going to be seeing for the bottom part, you're going to be having the part we have shadow part. Okay, for the middle part, you're going to be having mid-tone. Okay, and then at the top, you're going to be having the highlights. Okay, what these things mean is that for the shadow part, if you are decreasing the shadow part, you're actually adding more shadow to the part of the image that is darker. Okay, and then if you are increasing the highlights, you are adding brightness to the part of the image that is brighter. Okay, what it means that if you are increasing the brightness, the highlights, and then decreasing the shadow, that is reducing the shadow, you're actually adding contrast to your image or to your design. Okay, that's what it means. Contrast actually means increasing the brightness and then decreasing the shadows. That's what it means. Okay, so but for the middle part, that's what we call mid-tones. Okay, what it does is that if you are increasing or decreasing it, you're actually increasing brightness to the general image, or adding darkness to the general image. Okay, you can actually play around and see how these things work. It's not difficult to understand. And then this is fully for the RGB. Okay, because if you open your Snap, it's going to see like 5 options. You are going to see RGB. You're going to be seeing red, blue, green, and as well you're going to be seeing yellow. Luminance or something like that. Okay, when you are working with the red, okay, if you are increasing the mid-tone of the red, you're actually adding a kind of red hue to the whole of the image. Okay, I don't know if you understand me. And then when you are decreasing the mid-tone, you're actually adding a negative of it, which is a cyanide. Okay, we have CMYK, that is cyanide, magenta, yellow. And then for the RGB, that is red, green, and blue. Okay, so this is how it works for the opposite. This one works for this, and this one works for this. Okay, so when you are working with the red and increasing the mid-tone of the red, you already keep in mind that you are adding the red feel to the whole of the image. And then when you are decreasing the red mid-tone, okay, you are actually adding cyanide. And then when you are increasing the green mid-tone, you are adding a green feel to the whole of the image. And when you are decreasing it, you are adding magenta color. Okay, and then that's the same thing goes for the blue part. If you are increasing the blue mid-tone, you are adding blue feel to the whole of the image. And then if you are decreasing it, you are adding yellow feel. Okay, you can just go and play around with this. And I think this is the basic things you need to keep in mind when you're working with curves, right? And then I think it's not difficult to understand. And the more you practice, the more you get to know better. Okay, don't forget to follow me up on YouTube at Great Visuals and Pixels. Subscribe with us and check out our videos. We have created a lot of videos that will help you get to know how graphic and design works. Okay, and then most of our videos are very detailed, and you can actually follow it up and see how these things work. And then thank you for watching, and thank you for following me up on Facebook. Join me on Instagram at Son of Man Creation, and then let's see how we can actually grow together in this industry. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.